Hello, good morning one and all. Today I am going to start one more topic in national income. Before starting the topic, first I'll request all the people, means those who are seeing my videos, please subscribe my channel and give likes and give quality comments in comment section. So now I am going to start what are the concepts of national income. Today I am going to explain 3 concepts in national income and remaining concepts will explain in next videos. So for first concept in national income, that is GNP. GNP is also we can call in monetary terms gross national product at market prices. So what about the meaning of GNP or gross national product at market prices? The current market value of all final goods and services produced in a year is called gross national product at market prices. So current market value of all final goods and services produced in a year is called gross national product at market prices. Here we are adding net income from abroad also. For calculation of GNP at market prices, we are using one formula. Before showing the formula, I will give one hint for finding about the gross national product. Here, who is produced is important rather than where it is produced. Why I am using this sentence, you will get in next concept. So, now I will show the formula. GNP equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. So already we know that where here GNP is representing gross national product or gross national product at market prices. C is representing consumption expenditure of the households on goods and services. Next, private domestic investment by the private people may on production of goods and services. G is expenditure on goods and services by the government. X minus M is representing exports and imports. Here, how much quantity of goods and services we are exported to the other countries minus how much imports of goods and services we are importing to the our country. These two are we are taking and deducting from exports minus imports will get net exports value, and at the same time we are adding net income from abroad also. Net income from abroad means in our country people will live in other country. They are calculated as our people only. Their income will add as our country's national income. Same like other country people will live in our country. Their income will add in their country's national income only. So this net income from abroad we can add in national income for calculation of the GNP. Now we will start one more concept in national income, that is GDP. GDP means gross domestic product or gross domestic product at market prices. Gross domestic product at market prices. Here, one country at market prices. Here, countries' natural resources they are utilizing for producing of the goods and services within the boundaries of a country. So, through utilization of our country's natural resources, we can produce the goods and services. These goods and services market values only we can add in gross domestic product. So I will say what is the exact difference between the GNP and GDP. Here, who is produced is important rather than where it is produced. But in GDP, where it is produced is important rather than who is produced. So within the boundaries of country, we are utilizing our natural resources with our factors to produce the goods and services. Then that is only we are taking for calculation of the GDP. For calculation of the GDP, we are using formula also, that is C plus I plus G. Here we are not adding net income from abroad or net exports value, because within the boundaries of country only how much quantity of goods and services we are produced, how much income will be received by the factors, these are all only we are taking for calculation of the GDP. In case if exports value is positive than import value, then GNP is greater than GDP. Or in case exports value is more than import value, then we will get GNP greater than GDP. In case exports value is less than import value, then here GNP greater than less than GDP. So in this situation GNP is positive, in this situation GNP is negative. So here I will show one more formula for calculation of GDP, that is GNP minus net income from abroad, net earned income from abroad, income from abroad. So we are deducting net income from abroad from GNP, then we will get GDP. So either this formula we can utilize for calculation of GDP, or this formula also useful for calculation of the GDP. Now we are going to start one more concept, that is GNP. Already we are completed GNP, so NNP at market prices. So NNP at market prices, NNP, N means net national product, net national product. Here country's fixed capital, if continuously we are utilizing in production activity, then compulsory we are facing some problems, repairs or user cost, or we are paying some amount for recovery of the repairing for the machineries and equipment. These are all wear and tear charges we can deduct from GNP at market prices, then we will